Let's get the view now of Nelson Peltz. He is the CEO of Trian Partners. Nelson, welcome back. It's nice to have you on the program again.
Hey, Scott, good to be with you. Congratulations for 10 years. Who would have thought, Scotty?
I'll tell you what, I wouldn't have, but it's great to have. It's great to be here, and it's great to have you with us. You know, Jim Cramer and the gang are here as well. What a day. I mean, new closing highs, Nelson, on a day where you've got Paul Tudor Jones and David Einhorn on the network talking about inflation. How do you see things?
Look, I think we've got inflation, clearly, but the inflation is a lot of people making more money. And I'm not just talking about guys like me and the guests on your show. I'm talking about the average Joe whose wages have gone up as a result of COVID, as a result of the scarcity. And I think that's a good thing.
Yes.
I think the fact that they have more money to spend, the big thing is to get them to go back to work. And the fact that they have more money to spend, they're going to buy a little bit more Wendy's. They're going to buy some snacks from Mondelez. They're going to buy their toothpaste from P&G. And on and on. They're going to spend some extra money invested in Invesco. So I think that's all good for the economy. I am not as much of a bear on interest rates as many may think, because there are very few people in the world, very few groups in the world that need higher interest rates. Home buyers don't need it. Governments don't need it. And the dollar doesn't need it. So I think that we're going to have some inflation. I think some of it is good. Some of it always is not good. But I don't see tragedy coming along here.
Because, I mean, your companies are in the thick of it, right? Whether it's P&G yesterday talking about it. You've got wage pressures at Wendy's, labor issues, right? Everybody is talking about it, especially in the area where you cut your teeth. I mean, consumer packaged goods is where you've made your living.
Everybody's complaining, but everybody's earnings are up. Everybody's sales are up. So keep complaining. Keep sticking me, okay? Things are getting better. You know, the market really missed P&G's earnings yesterday. P&G sales were up 5% over a quarter. That was fantastic. Okay? They missed consensus by 1%. And yet people don't understand that we had the COVID elite, you know, the Cloroxes and the Campbells, who did so well during COVID. And the minute it looked like COVID was over, their sales fell out of bed. Well, P&G was not part of that. P&G sales continue to climb. People continue to want to use their products. The same thing at Mondelez, the same thing over and over again. They kept going to Wendy's. Yeah, we can't get help at Wendy's, and that's a pain. And it's hard to get some products at Wendy's. But nonetheless, Wendy's is doing pretty damn good. So we're going to learn to deal with this new phenomenon. People hopefully will go back to work. I think that's very important.